Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool portable work light, outdoor light, camping light. This is a really nice light. In fact, could even be used for an emergency light. You actually have one main light and then these separate operable lights. And I say separate because this 5,000 lumen light can tilt, pull forward, and these side pieces can even pop off and use them separately. So that's really cool. You can turn this on and this thing is bright. 5,000 lumens, goes high, dim, and a strobe. It also has the side lights. I mean, this is just really neat, very versatile. Each one of these side pieces pulls off. You can run them independently. If you're outside, maybe you're gonna set it up to play basketball outside. Each one of the side pieces has magnets, so you can easily stick that on to anything you're wanting to use to operate with that, and a built-in hanger. So if you're needing to hang that on something to run that, you can easily do that. So that's really neat as well. This main part here also has the magnets on the back. So again, maybe you're turning this on, you're going to be working on something down there, you can easily stick this on. Those magnets are strong. That'll hold that thing, the entire thing hanging out there like that. Really bright, really nice. You can also adjust it again accordingly with that. In addition to that, it also has the ability to use these feet on the bottom to actually spread out to give you more stability on the bottom. So then when you're setting it up, if you need to even tilt it clear back or clear forward, you can do that and it's not going to fall over. So again, really cool. Lots of different options with this thing. These things stick all back on here. Once they're on here, they actually all charge the same way. You can plug it in the back with this provided USB-A to USB-C, and it charges the whole unit. Folds quickly, nice, compact, easy for storage, travel. It's an amazing product. Let me turn off the light so you can see what this thing looks like at night. You're going to be outside running this thing. I mean, this is bright. 5,000 lumens, easily could push a lot of light. This thing is bright enough I don't even want to look at it. Tiltability on this thing. Again, separate these off so you can have one hanging up here, one down here. Provides plenty of light. Can dim. Really impressed with this. A lot of nice features. Would make a great gift for someone or keep it for yourself.